The auto collision program here is a one-year program, and after completion, they will receive a diploma. The program here is really based on what industry wants. So we teach the skills that are going to be needed when they go out to the employers in the area so they can be productive on day one. We're focusing on non-structural repairs and painting. So small dents, removal of parts off the cars, reinstallation. We do talk about the new ADAS technology with all the vehicles with blind spot warning systems, lane departure.
Usually at the beginning of every class, we have a little bit of classroom work, and then we're out in the actual lab most of the time. Enough classroom work so you understand what you're doing, enough labs to keep you busy.
Right now I'm learning how to blend, how to paint a little more, clearing, sanding, blocking, spraying primer, all that good stuff.
We do cosmetic repairs, spot repairs, similar to something you'd see in an actual shop in the local area.
The paint system we use here is the exact system we use at work.
We have everything that is needed. So we have some very nice paint booths, downdraft bake paint booths, so we can bake the paint to 140, 150 degrees for 40 minutes if we need to. We have the latest glue pull technology for dent removal. We also have the latest paint guns that are used in the industry these days, vacuum sanders, so we can have a fairly dust-free environment, so it's better for your health.
I've had times where I've learned something that day, then go to work and use it right then.
We also have multiple hoists we can use and a frame rack if needed, and then an air hose in every stall, the electrical outlet that comes down from the ceiling in every stall for convenience. And we want to prepare you to be a good employee right away at the get-go.
I love my instructor. He's great. I really enjoy his wisdom and talking with him about all sorts of things. And I like the people.
My favorite part so far is probably meeting new people and just getting to do what I love.
I actually enjoy the fact that the school listens to the advisory committee and the industry that's in the local area, so we can teach what's needed to prepare these students for the job they're going to get into. And then of course, just helping the students out and showing them what to do to get to that next level.
If you're wanting it hands-on and you want to work with cars, and if you like watching something go from a dent to being straight and just seeing the final product, you can go into it.
I love seeing the finished products. It's very rewarding, very rewarding. It's one of the best feelings. It's why you do it.